Are you a recreation therapist or an allied health professional looking for innovative ways to elevate your practice? Root in Nature's virtual, self-paced Intro to Therapeutic Horticulture course has been designed to teach you methods for integrating plants, gardening, and nature into your therapeutic approach. Hi, I'm Alexis, founder and CEO of Root in Nature, a social enterprise that strengthens human health by connecting people with plants and nature through therapeutic horticulture, programs, and education. We created this online course to help you gain comprehensive expertise in facilitating, adapting, and evaluating therapeutic horticulture activities while receiving essential training in foundational horticulture and safety. This course will equip you with the necessary skills to effectively engage with individual clients and small groups, opening doors to enriched therapeutic experiences. By incorporating plants and nature into your sessions, you can unlock numerous benefits for your participants. These include creating a calming and relaxing atmosphere that can promote wellness and improve the overall therapy experience. Studies have shown that exposure to plants and nature can significantly reduce stress and anxiety levels. This is particularly beneficial for those with mental health conditions or chronic illnesses. Incorporating gardening and walking into therapy sessions promotes activity and exercise, which can positively impact the physical well-being of participants. Being in nature and around plants has a positive effect on mood, fostering feelings of positivity and optimism. This can be especially valuable for individuals dealing with depression or other mood disorders. Therapeutic horticulture creates opportunities for social interaction and connection. Group activities like gardening or nature walks foster a sense of community and encourage bonding.
Hi, my name is Katie McGilvery and I'm a registered horticultural therapist and the courses and community lead at Root in Nature. Root in Nature's training program offers specialized knowledge and skills in using plants, gardening, and nature for therapeutic uses. Engaging in therapeutic horticulture training is an excellent form of professional development. With therapeutic horticulture training, you can expand your range of therapy options. Incorporating plants and nature into your sessions opens up unique and powerful therapeutic experiences for your clients.
Join us on this journey of discovery and growth as we delve into the world of therapeutic horticulture. Enroll in Root in Nature's Intro to Therapeutic Horticulture course today and unlock the transformative power of plants, gardening, and nature in your practice.